This is your bearded buddy, Billy F. Gibbons from ZZ Top. Right now, have mercy. You couldn't have picked a better day to show me off something that does what this thing is supposed to do. So you got enough gas, we can take it over to Las Vegas.
It's the largest automotive gathering on the planet, the 2016 SEMA Show.
And now, from the PowerNation Vault.
Which started off just as a project to fulfill the desire to have a hot rod, never knowing that it would become this kind of celebrity that shined quite brightly through the appearance in the 80s with Gimme All Your Lovin, followed with Sharp Dressed Man, then into Legs, which made it really a star in its own right. The car is still going strong, and it really did a lot, not only for us as a band and lovers of hot rod automobiles, but the sport really exploded after that. We're quite delighted. The car is still running fast.